I'm gonna talk about the gears on this bike. It's a 6-speed. So first gear, that's like lurking. That's like 5 miles an hour. That's just creeping, right? Second gear, that's like parking lot. You know what I'm saying? Third gear, that's like, your side streets, 30, 35 miles an hour. Fourth gear, that's going to be like your county highways where it might get up to like 50, 45, right? Fifth gear and sixth gear, that's strictly highway for the most. I mean, you're going to be on the highway if you're using them gears. So just know that. If you've never rode a bike, just know that's how the gears should be used, you guys. Nobody told me this. This is just what I figured out. It seems to me a good running RPMs on this is about 2,500. I know it can go higher, but I'm just, that's, you're cruising at 2,500 RPMs and, sixth gear, you're going about 65, 70 miles an hour. So one thing I did on this bike when I first got it, I noticed that on here, it didn't have this washer with a rubber side and a rubber side, so there's no contact made. See how it made that little scratch? I don't know why he was just putting, whoever had it before, they took good care of the bike, but they should have had this in place. So if you guys are having this issue, go to the hardware store, get this washer, and get these little rubber joints, put them on here like this. Turn it around so you can't see the lettering. Turn it around so you can't see the lettering. You see, wherever there it is, right down the edge. I'm gonna turn it until you can't really see it. That way it's not chipping your paint right here and doing all that damage to it, Now it just looks more normal like that. You can kind of center it a little because it's not a perfect fit, but you get the idea, man. So to me, it looks a lot better like that, man. Yeah, I love my bike though. You couldn't give me most Harleys for free. But, my thing is like, bro, don't have the gay ass fairing, fucking faggot ass, fairy ass windshield. Don't have the fucking bags on it. Don't have the fucking, especially don't have the plexiglass fairing. That shit's the worst. But, if you want to be protected by wind so bad like that, where you need a windshield and shit that's like covering your hands and shit and all that, like just go buy a fucking car. Like if you're to that, man, I want the wind in my face. That's one of the reasons I'm riding this bike. It's just more of a free feeling. I don't wear a helmet. We're not required to wear a helmet in the state of Minnesota. That's just how I feel about shit, But yeah, that's the 2011 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. With all the custom shit on it. All the custom chrome, but a lot of it's factory. A lot of it's original. The paint job's original. When you really get up on that paint, I mean, it's like 3 different colors of flakes in there. It's kind of hard to catch sometimes. It's a beautiful paint job. That's why I don't want it all chipped up and fucked up, Yeah, that's my baby though. I love this bike. Man.